morning vlog world. I have a spicy video for you guys today. So we start speak really good twangish like the Guyanese already. Today I'm going to try some Guyanese food. Mommy, we need you now. Me need you. For a moment. Alright, this is my friend's mom. Let me make you see her.
Oh wait, no.
she run gone. But alright, like when you don't want to go on camera. You can talk with the ear.
That's
This is
Dhal Puri.
Dhal Puri.
Dhal Puri.
Dhal Puri. Dhal Puri.
Yes.
Alright, what does that
And
mean?
that's curry.
Curry.
That's made with dal peas.
Peas?
Yes.
Huh?
That's peas inside there, and with flour.
Oh, peas and flour.
Yes.
And
the dough make with the flour, and then you add the peas into the dough, and you roll it up, so you get Dhal Puri.
Okay, and you was telling me that I can't use no fork for this?
You can use it as a finger something.
Oh, it's a finger food?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And
So
that is curry, potato, and beef.
oh, curry potato and beef mixed in one?
Yes.
Okay, I should love this. Vlogger, we should love this. Alright, let me take the camera and show you. You see me? This is my breakfast today. Alright. Yes, this is curry. And then she said this has flour and peas. This is Dhal Puri. Dhal Puri, right? Dhal Puri. Dhal Puri. Alright, so today we're having Dhal Puri, courtesy of the chef. You know? And it's finger food, so yeah, now get hands on with this right now. Hopefully you not see this properly. If you not see it, they're gonna take up for you and make you know. You see me? Alright, so more likely I'm gonna match this with some of the curry, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me test the flour part first. My taste buds take a while to activate, you know, so I feel like taste it. Alright. Not bad, it's just like raw dough. It's like raw dough in a way?
Yeah.
In a way though, because it's fully raw.
Yeah.
It's alright. Cocoa.
Alright. That's alright. No mix it with the curry. And she said, oh, curry and potato.
I said beef.
Oh, beef.
Beef, potato, curry.
Oh, and in Guyana people don't say curry chicken, they say chicken curry.
Chicken curry, that's beef curry with potato.
Okay, let's test this now. It's a perfect mix. It's a perfect mix. I like it. It's a perfect mix. The dough does complement the curry. You're right to use this as finger food, because if it was a finger food, everybody would still use their fingers. Just to dip.
So you get the taste of it, you get everything there, man.
I like it. So vlog right now we're having Dhal Puri and curry with potato and beef.
Beef curry, darling.
Oh, it's beef curry, darling. Oh,
Beef curry and potato.
oh, beef curry and potato. I like it. So I mean, getting my hands, you know, colorful. This is good, people.
Get some okras and
Tomorrow we're getting okras.
yeah, the okra here. And the
Make sure you have a good thumbnail.
Go to the back down before we go home.
I should do what?
Go to the back down.
What's the balta? What's the balta?
Get back to the bushes to get some stuff. Yep.
Okay.
Where you going to mangoes What happened to him now?
Okay. I was making a thumbnail.
You only need something, get some cranberry juice.
Oh, your cranberry juice there?
Yeah.
You made from natural cranberry?
Huh?
Made from natural cranberry, or you just have cranberry?
Bring it strawberry.
Oh, you bring it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you have natural cranberry over here.
No. That could just bring you to get some other foods too. Later when everything is finished here,
Okay.
then we're gonna go do some.
And we're having cranberry juice blackberry. As you can see, I like the mix of this.
You like it?
Yeah, it mix nice. It complements each other.
You enjoyed last night?
Of course. Last night was lit. Last night was great, thanks. I never seen nothing like that before, so it was just like I wanted to participate, but it was like I couldn't move because I wanted to see everything. I didn't want to miss anything.
Normally those beaters like tonight,
Yeah.
and then the next day for wedding.
Okay. Also, it's like that's like what kind of party is that? Bachelor party? What is it?
Well, in New York, they say bachelor party, right?
Okay.
But over here in Guyana, we say kwek.
Oh, quick.
Yeah.
That's why everybody said we're going quick. I was like, what are you talking about?
Kwek. Yeah. That's where you. It's like only Guyanese, mostly Guyanese do these things.
Okay. So, what happened at the celebration? I saw there was something that I saw that they were trying to run in the fence.
Oh, that's the people them that come to get bride. That's the
bride's
groom.
family.
No, this is the bride family.
The bride's groom.
The bridegroom family is there, so they come now for take their bride.
Okay, let me explain to them quick. Alright, so last night was a bachelor party basically. They call it kwe. So it's like I did the ceremony before a wedding because I have a wedding to attend, you know? So alright. So the groom comes from Trinidad.
Yes.
Because I heard the man say Trinidad man can't wine.
There's Guyanese and Trinidad.
Oh.
There's Guyanese but they go to
Trinidad. Okay. So basically there were some little small ceremonies being kept. The first thing I saw was a lot of people dancing around the ring.
Yes, that's how you dance around the ring. And you sing kwek song.
Oh, kwek song.
Yes, that's
them sound vibesy though. Them sound vibesy.
Yes.
And
so you just wine because listen with the
whole heap of girls out there too.
you got to wine for the bride.
Oh, you?
It's wine you're whining for the bride. You're dancing for the bride, right? That's why then they say the Trinidadian they can wine.
Oh.
The Cambridge girl they can't wine. So whoever go wine it down go soon can wine, right?
Okay.
It's just like that.
And then I see them come in and them they do something like them they push down the gate. So basically someone was telling me that the groom, like it's the groom family trying to shove down the gate for sure say them coming into the next family.
Yes.
Okay, see me I get you fast.
Yes.
Now observe.
Because that's what I said, that's what the song said, I wonder where my floaty there. That's Chanel is the shape, but since she was growing up, we know Chanel us as floaty, right? So they come for her now, so they're gonna ask her, wonder where the floaty there.
Wonder where the floaty there?
Yeah, so that's the bride. So they got the search and find her.
Oh, so that's what happened.
And when they didn't even find her because she was standing right out there, they passed her right.
They passed her, so she was right in the, oh God, she was in the crowd.
She was standing right by the brinker there. Got her hat on her head.
Yeah, just look like a man. Oh.
So they passed, they couldn't find her. So they had to bring her in the yard so they could find her.
Oh yeah, and
so when they find she now,
the husband have to pay.
yes, they have to pay for the bride. So we tell us we now want to buy this money and don't treat that young money. Then
we have to pay anyway. Oh, yes. So when they can't, you're supposed to search for your bride in the party. That's a ceremony too. You have to, your bride dresses up and goes out, go hide. And you have to like search for her. And you search her, if you don't find her when she do present herself, you have to pay money for your wife. So who gets the money? Who gets the money?
You just got to pay for the bride, but you give them back their money, you know?
It's just, for fun. Yeah. They're lucky, boy, lucky, you know, because if you lose a lot of money. So yeah, after.
When even say you pay for the bride family so that they get the money. So
okay, so it still go to them.
Yeah.
And then you have a part where they put you pay for the bride, and there was some dancing around them after that, I think.
Yeah, because I'm dancing around now because I welcome them into the family.
Yeah, so everybody is just one now.
Everybody is one.
I like that.
And then you just push her up in the hair.
Yeah, that part was great. I should have been videoing that part, but I was videoing some of it. I'll try to see if I can find some videos to show them, but it was so fun seeing the wife going up on some chair. They were pushing the wife up in the air. I like the whole ceremony was nice. The part that beat me though.
You see, the rain wasn't the rain?
That's what I was just gonna say. The rain. That was me not going to rain for nothing at all. But when I see the people them through the rain, see when I see the people are serious, man.
Of course.
When things are going, things are going.
Them two wonder what take off their clothes there.
Yes.
One of them come when the fire is the first one.
Take off our clothes and run through the mud like I know nothing.
Oh God.
And I think Guyanese people can drink.
Of
I
course.
can't manage to drinking like that. The drinking let me down yesterday. 1 cup and I eat that. Mm-mm.
You have two by the one started out in everywhere. The two one was talking yesterday last night, or the one who was giving joke.
Yeah. And they say that them come from Jamaica because they know everybody Jamaican song.
No, they're from Guyana.
Look like Guyanese people love dancehall.
Of course.
I see it. Guyana people, them love dancehall. Cause me I say the man know every latest bad Jamaican song. I think it was a Jamaican selector, you know.
They might know everything. We got another one who doesn't even sing.
Well, that's it. Well, I enjoyed it though.
Tomorrow will be the wedding, and then when you going back?
I'm going back 2 weeks time.
Then the next week, that'll be a birthday party.
Birthday party.
When the old lady birthday. She birthday party, and we'll keep the party, but that'll be in the village, more up in the scheme.
Okay.
You find the phone? You find the phone?
So that means that they have a video from the wedding they post. Like somebody like the rituals and so. I can't imagine how they do it. You guys they use ring though?
Wow.
The wedding. Like when you guys get married you use ring? Can you just imagine how that wedding party gonna be? I want to be there.
The ring it's gonna be right at the church here.
A church like up the road up there.
When you go out there, the first church on the left. That's where she's gonna get married.
Okay.
And then she goes to the city.
When they're going to the city, what they're gonna do?
That's the reception.
Also,
that's when everybody gonna gather together
and dance again.
But you see, Indian people, they started it when from Friday. They start from Monday. They support it from Monday till Sunday.
So if you're doing a wedding, if the Indian beat them, when they do a wedding Friday, they must support from Monday.
When the wedding started Sunday, they start from Monday.
Support it from Monday.
Support it from Monday till.
But like what them do? Like what them do?
Okay, well they will start. They gonna get up their stuff and they're gonna start drinking and whining and dancing and.
Why? It sound like everybody in Guyana have to do something with whining. Cause I see everybody whining. All the youngest children me see whining yesterday.
And then after that on Friday, like the Hindu, they go dig dirty.
Dig dirty? What's that?
They're gonna dig dirt.
Dig dirt.
And they will get like different pastry and so. That's Indian. That's the Indian. That's the Hindu. And then they're gonna place it in the dirt.
Like they hide it for people to dig to find?
No, they just dig it and they put it there. That's a Friday. They say what they have to say and they put it down there. And then on the Saturday they're gonna be preparing, but they're still drinking. And on the Sunday, that's how you're not see you're not gonna see your bride.
So how long before you see your bride?
When you're not married. You don't see they're married and they cover.
They cover up.
When the bring will come, the bride gonna already don't sit down there, cover from head to toe. And then the groom will come and join her, and they put their dali or whatever they put on the thing that's the oath. And then they're married, put in a ring, and then you're gonna raise up who's to be married to. You know, he had a guy he got a beef shop right over there. And
so Guyanese people eat beef a lot then?
they eat beef.
A lot? Because me see a lot of beef shops too.
And the lady, one of the sister, she walk up and drop she the farm. And the big sister is that's the one where the man love. And when the married time, they broke up one. to the guy. Yes, they married the sister to the guy.
So that even means you can put somebody under the veil where you don't know? Like the family can put somebody under the veil where the person will get married to don't know?
Of course. If they want you to marry to this person,
that's who you're married to.
That's who you're married to. When you raise up and you see who you're married to, either you take it or you leave it. Whatever do.
So anybody ever leave it?
No. Then just take
Take
the
it.
then just take the two sisters. So that one now, the one who just chop the beef, she chop the beef, and the next one will walk up and just come and collect money.
Wow. Them wife they live life.
and these Muslim like go more down at the back. We can remember that change their money. They got two houses there. Two brothers married to one brother married to two sisters. One at the front house, one at the back house.
Wow.
And all of them make 7 children.
What? You hear that, people?
For that one man. And live happily too.
And they live happy too? Nobody don't find a problem. I say I show this one more attention than this one.
No, well, I'm not protected.
That food was lovely. My sister Michelle it. Only more videos to come.